Are you ready to learn all about the ocean? We're going to sing songs and do lessons, and we're even going to read a book. Get ready for some ocean fun. I'm so excited to teach you my new song called Five Little Fishies. They swim all over the sea, and all of a sudden this big wave comes, and they flip around and around and around. Five little fishies swimming in the sea, swimming so fast you can't catch me. Along came a wave as big as can be, and flipped that fishy all over the sea. Here's four little fishies swimming in the sea, swimming so fast you can't catch me. Along came a wave as big as can be, I flipped that fishy all over the sea. So silly. Three little fishies swimming in the sea, swimming so fast you can't catch me. Along came a wave as big as can be, I flipped that fishy all over the sea. Now there's just two left. Two little fishies swimming in the sea, swimming so fast you can't catch me. Along came a wave as big as can be, and flipped the fishy all over the sea. Now those fishies are swimming and having so much fun. One left. One little fishy swimming in the sea, swimming so fast you can't catch me. Along came a wave as big as can be, I flipped the fishy all over the sea. Those little fishies were having so much fun, swimming all over the sea. You can't catch me. Are you ready to see all the beautiful animal life under the sea? Well, come on, let's go. Come along with me. Let's go to the sea. How beautiful it will be to see all the things in the sea. Maybe we'll see a lobster clicking its claws like this, or maybe we'll see a fishy swimming so free by the sea. Down below by the sea. Come with me. Look! There's a crab hiding under a rock. And there's an octopus waving his arms like this, and there's a turtle moving so slowly by the sea. Down below by the sea. Come with me. A shark with sharp teeth down in the sea. A dolphin jumping up and down in the sea. And a jellyfish wiggling all around in the sea. In the sea. Come with me. Did you know that lobsters could swim frontwards and backwards? Now that is cool. Did you know that fishies have something called gills? They're over here on the sides of their face, and that's how they breathe. Wow, we breathe through our nose and our mouth. Fishies are amazing. Did you know that crabs walk frontwards and backwards? But mostly they like to move side to side. Now that is silly. Octopuses have 9 brains, 3 hearts, and 8 arms. Oh my gosh! Turtles have no teeth. Did you know that as turtles grow, their shell on their back grows with them? So they grow and they grow and they grow and they grow. Wow, look at that big turtle. Amazing. Did you know that sharks have 50 rows of teeth? Now that's a lot of teeth. Did you know that dolphins have two stomachs? One is for storing food and one is for digesting food. I love dolphins. They're so cute. Jellyfish have no brains, and their bodies are made mostly of water. That's why they're see-through. Are you ready to play a really fun game with me where we have to look all around and try and find the different sea creatures? Now, let's start with the first one. I'm thinking of a sea creature that's got really sharp teeth and something called a fin. Could you find it? Where is it? There it is. It's the shark. You got it. Okay, now let's see. There's another sea creature that moves really slow in the ocean, and it's green, and it also has a shell on its back. You're right. It is the turtle. Good job. This is really, really fun. Okay. I'm thinking of a sea creature that wiggles, wiggles, wiggles all around. It wiggles all around. It's a jellyfish. You're great at this. Okay, we've got a few more left. Let's see what's next. This one talks. It really does. It goes... It almost sounds like a little doggy, but not really. It's gray, and it jumps really high, up and down and up and down and up and down. It's a dolphin. You got it. All right, just a few more to go. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's look. Where's the one? Oh, do you hear that? I hear it. Do you hear it? It's a crab. The crab goes click, 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 and it goes side to side like this, and this, and this, and this. The crab. Good job. Last one. This is one of my favorites. Let's all go swimming in the ocean. Let's all go swimming in the ocean. Let's all go swimming in the ocean. I'm a little fishy. You got it. We learned all of our sea creatures. You're good at this game. If you like what you're watching on Jammin Jenn and Friends, make sure to like and subscribe. It's fun to go into the ocean, but what I really like to do sometimes is splish and splash and splish and splash. It's so much fun. How about you learn my new song? It goes like this. Clap your hands. Splish splash in the ocean. Everybody come on, sing. We're gonna splish splash in the ocean. Sing with me. You try it. Here we go. Splish splash in the ocean. Everybody sing along. We're gonna splish splash in the ocean. This is my splish and splashing song. I like to splish, splish, splish. I like to splash, splash, splash. Oh, I like to splish, splish, splish in the ocean. We're gonna splish splash in the ocean. Everybody, everybody sing. We're gonna splish splash in the ocean. Sing everybody with me. Here we go. Splish splash in the ocean. Splish splash in the ocean. Splish splash in the ocean. Sing with me. Sing with me. How fun it will be. Splish splash. Splish splash, splish splash, splish splash. How to Catch a Mermaid, from the New York Times best-selling team, Adam Wallace and Andy Elkerton. How to Catch a Mermaid. I love mermaids. How to Catch a Mermaid. Last week, I saw a mermaid. It's not something I'd pretend. I'd really like to catch her so she could be my friend. We'd have the best adventures. I'd learn her mermaid ways. We'd tour her mermaid city. We'd swim for days and days. Hey, you two, come follow me. I need you on my team. The water's where we need to plan our mermaid catching scheme. But how to catch a mermaid? You don't learn this in school. We'll need to build a gentle trap and start near the tide pool. First, I have this jewelry box. She'll love this bait I bought her. She can't resist a treasure chest. Oh no, it's in the water. Well, mermaids love bright, shiny things. A crown will catch her eye. We'll lure her in with this new trap. And then our net will fly. Do you think it's going to work, boys and girls? Let's see what happens. Her seaweed lasso snatched the crown. We'd need a different plan. Let's put a sparkly necklace down inside a giant clam. Now that's a good idea. Let's see the giant clam. Whoa! She switched the necklace with a rock to stop the clam from snapping. Now she has another prize. We need some better trapping. We made a lasso of our own seaweed and hid in the seaweed. She swam too fast for us to catch. Oh no, when will we succeed? Now let's try to switch it up and play some funky beats. Maybe that will draw her in. Oh no, there's sharks! Retreat! We escaped from all the sharks. That was a scary scene. But now we get to up our game with this cool submarine. Whoa, look at that submarine. This submarine has robot arms to catch our fishy lass. But this mermaid can't be caught. She's really too fast. Look at her swimming away. It's time to pull out all the stops. We have to be quite sneaky. But she heard our trap from far away. This treasure chest was creaky. Do you think she's gonna get caught? Let's see. Oh no! Look out! The sharks are back! We're doomed. What can we do? We used up all our traps and bait. Without some help, we're through. I think I know what's gonna happen. Oh, look at this, boys and girls. Our mermaid, she comes to save the day. She made a trap to save us. She scares the sharks and scoops us up. She really is courageous. What a nice mermaid. Hooray! We're safe and back on land. 3 cheers for our mermaid. We'll miss her smart and clever tricks. We wish she could have stayed. Oh, that's such a beautiful book. How to Catch a Mermaid by Adam Wallace and Andy Elkerton. I love that book. Thank you for watching Jammin Jenn and Friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all, boys and girls.